I started the day with a I stretch almost every morning and I've never had that big of a pop. Afterwards, I started making my breakfast, which is 3 eggs. I was feeling a little lazy, so I did work from my bed until I left for my hair appointment. I get a blowout every week and I stopped washing my own hair because I'm just tired of it. And look at how great this blowout came out. I asked for a silky, bouncy blowout and my hair was literally moving with me. It was so good. Back at my place, I unpacked some new bowls that I got in a shoe rack. Then I had brunch at my sorority house and hopped on a discussion class call. To end the day, I recorded a cooking video.